Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden, here to take you through this week's market action. Most of the week saw steep selling action before Friday rebounded, erasing many of the losses. The Dow tacked on 0.33%, while the S&P crossed the flat line. The Nasdaq slid 0.25%, while the Russell sold off close to 2%. Tech stocks dominated the headlines with early week sell-off seen across the space. Companies like Nvidia, Palantir, and Micron were among the hardest hit, with Oracle and Supermicro falling as much as 10%. Throughout the week before the overall group rebounded on Friday, investor concerns about AI valuations and leverage needed to finance CapEx spending presented some fragility in these stocks. One of the first cracks in the tech trade this week came from CoreWeave's earnings. The AI infrastructure company narrowed losses but lowered its 2025 revenue outlook to between $5.05 and $5.15 billion, down from $5.15 to $5.35 billion. CoreWeave fell more than 25% and hit a 6-month low. Data center peers like Nebius and IREN sold off just as much. Another factor weighing on AI investors was SoftBank's decision to sell all of its Nvidia stake, totaling $5.83 billion. The major conglomerate also exited its stake of T-Mobile as it positions funds for a previously announced $30 billion stake in OpenAI. One company that shined in the AI trade, though, AMD. It rallied 5.6% this week after CEO Lisa Su said she expects 35% revenue growth for AMD in the next 3 to 5 years and non-GAAP EPS to hit $20. Su added that AMD will capture a double-digit share of the data center industry, which she sees hitting $1 trillion by the year 2030. Tech will continue to lead next week's discussions with Nvidia reporting earnings on Wednesday. We'll have extended coverage on Market on Close until 5 p.m. Eastern for those earnings. Walmart, Target, Home Depot, and Palo Alto Networks also report next week. And remember, Netflix has its 10-for-1 stock split on Monday. Until then, that'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden. Remember, you can tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great weekend.